everyone, welcome back to Buckle Up and Explore. My name is Nidhi Chauhan and आज हम आए हैं रोड के इवेंट में which is in Novotel bloggers meet के लिए. So come and show you how it is. So you have to come here, go to the register counter and get your IDs and they mark you that you're present and then you have to go inside. Guys, we are here inside and let me tell you, यहाँ की जो भी इन्होंने फंक्शनिंग एंड जिस तरीके से रखा है इज़ रियली वेरी नाइस एंड बहुत अच्छे स्पेस में है, बहुत सारे क्रिएटर्स हैं यहाँ पे एंड जैसे जैसे जो होगा व्हाटएवर वी कैन फिल्म एंड शूट हम आपको बताते हैं. सो गाइज़, मुझे आपको खाली ये बोलना था कि मैंने पूरा चीज़ रिकॉर्ड इसलिए नहीं किया है क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा सेशन था, बहुत सारे घंटों का वीडियो बन जाता, बट आई हैव टेकन द बेस्ट बिट्स एंड पीसेज आउट ऑफ इट सो दैट आप वो देख सकें एंड ऑल्सो वेट टिल द एंड क्योंकि माइक कैसे यूज़ होता है, क्या होता है, उसका बहुत अच्छे से डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है. सो लेट्स गो.
If I have to introduce you, I'm a wedding photographer. Specifically doing this for like 10 years now. As a wedding photographer, I know weddings in and out. If you see the blogging industry today, there are so many wedding vlogs, right? We would like to go to the wedding, we would like to shoot the wedding and see how enthusiasm there is. Like there is some cha-cha dancing somewhere, there's a makeup artist doing some goof up. So all the kind of things are always captured in a wedding. And as a blogger, if you see, there's so many bloggers who are actually making wedding vlogs and which are getting hits on YouTube, right? The same happened with me too. I started uploading YouTube videos in terms of shutter speed and aperture and ISO. But when I started uploading videos on wedding, it spiked beautifully because wedding industry is something which is fun, enthusiastic, and so creative. And being in this field for like 10 years, me, my father, my younger brother, same family business, so knowing wedding industry to the core.
के पीछे बैठी थी मैं एज अ और बैठे बैठे मैं सो गई थी और मेरी हेलमेट ऐसे टकरा गई. उस टाइम मैंने सोचा कि आई एम गोना राइड माय बाइक, मुझे पीछे नहीं बैठना है. तो एक दिन अचानक से वी बोथ वी यूज्ड टू बी अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, 10 साल काम किया हमने आईटी में और उधर मैनेजर्स को झूठ बोल कर छुट्टियां ले लेकर हम लोग राइड्स पर जाते थे. और उस टाइम पर ऐसा था कि मैंने कहा था कि मुझे मेरी बाइक चलानी है, तो नहीं हो सकता लड़कियां बाइक नहीं चलाती. यू लाइक कि ठीक है मैं तेरे को सिखा दूंगा बट पता नहीं तुझे होगा नहीं होगा वो तू देखना. दिस गाय ही सपोर्टेड मी सो मच. फैमिली ने नहीं सपोर्ट किया, इनके मम्मी पापा, मेरे मम्मी पापा, किसी ने सपोर्ट नहीं किया था. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सपोर्ट मैंने बाइक चलाना शुरू किया. 2 महीना मैंने बाइक सीखा. आई यूज्ड टू टेक माय बाइक फ्रॉम माय होम टू ऑफिस. साखीनगर में ऑफिस जिस टाइम पे आई वाज इन बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका एट दैट टाइम. और वो ट्रैफिक में सीखने के बाद 2 महीने में मैंने लद्दाख राइड किया था. पीपल से दैट लद्दाख राइड इज अ ग्रेजुएशन राइड और वो मैंने सिर्फ 2 महीना बाइक सीखने के बाद चलाया था. एंड बहुत सारी इंसिडेंट्स हुई थी वहाँ पर बट we both did it. और वो सिलसिला जो शुरू हुआ वो अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है. तो अभी भी कभी भी लाइफ थोड़ी बोरिंग हो जाती है तो जस्ट उठते हैं और चलो राइड पर चलते हैं.
मैं जीव भाई को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा. जीव भाई आपकी वैसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली यहाँ पर आके बात करने की, तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. और जर्नी थोड़ी लंबी है तो मैंने अभी बैठे शॉर्ट कर दिया इसको. तो शुरू करते हैं वहाँ से जब मैं एक्टिंग करता था. ठीक है, तो इसके दौरान ही मैं सारी चीज़ें आप लोगों को बता दूंगा.
Also, let me tell you, Rode and Trimac, they literally encouraged us. There was a magician and mentalist in the house and they were so interactive, they would tell people to come and show their talents. So yeah, this is that thing. Also, it was the best day of my life and I want to thank Trimac and Rode for it. Thank you so much.
I still work in Dubai. I was a commercial photographer. I want to say that in past tense because I'm no longer a commercial photographer. And I used to do navigate 60 to 65,000 kilometers only on the expressway because I have to come to Mumbai, shoot, and even if I pack up at 11:30, I still go back, reach home, have a bath, go to sleep, get up at 6 in the morning, and I usually used to hire a studio in Famous, and I used to be the first guy in the studio. So, and Lokhan wale log aate the 11 baje because they have to deal with the traffic. Anyway, so with that kind of traffic, kind of traveling, suddenly 2 years with not traveling at all was like unthinkable. There were a few opportunities to go out and speak to people, but I kind of refused it because I was the only guy who was speaking with, and I said probably not worth that risk. But here the opportunity was that there was a little bit of selfish interest in coming here because I can hear so many people's stories. That was very. See, watching a vlog of somebody is very different from listening to the experience of somebody. And that learning is something that you will, say like his experience. I'm having goosebumps. I said, look, hats off to your family. And which means if he can do it, I don't know. If people who wait for that moment to come, मेरे पास वो लेंस चाहिए, मुझे वो बैक, वो जो माइक चाहिए या नहीं, लोकेशन खराब, they call cry movies. I don't know if you've heard this thing called cry movies.
Polar pattern decides how this microphone is going to pick up the sound, like from the front side or from the back side. So there are 4 polar patterns, out of which one is not actually applicable for this kind of microphone, which is on-camera microphone, or the shotgun microphone, which is applicable for the studio situation. But otherwise, this 3 is applicable for the on-camera microphone. The first is cardioid. The cardioid polar pattern's shape is like this, and it is the front of the camera microphone, and this is the rear of the microphone. So, in cardioid, the sound coming from the front will be picked up maximum, and it will be rejected from the off-axis or the backside of the microphone. Similarly, supercardioid or hypercardioid do the same thing, but off-axis rejections is more. The angle of the off-axis rejections is more than the cardioid polar pattern. Figure 8, which is actually not applicable for this, but also it gives a chance to, suppose this is a mic, you can say from this side or that side, and it will be pick up the less sound from this and that side. So that's how it is shaped like a 8, and it's called figure 8. Another is omnidirectional. Omnidirectional sign is a round. That means this omnidirectional microphone is going to pick up the sound from all the sides in the same manner. So this is very important. Why? Because I'm going to say all this very briefly, the technical specifications of the microphone. Then you can understand why I am saying this. Now come to the
and then that's it. Thank you so much, everyone. You've been a wonderful audience. Love you guys, and see you next time very soon in a better state. Thank you.
Okay guys, so this is done now, and we are going out. They've kept goodie bags and also tea. So they also had this session जहाँ पे उन्होंने 3 chits निकाले थे, and those people have got mics. I didn't get my name. तेजस का भी नहीं आया. But still, बाकी जाके जो goodie bag है उसमें देख लेते. I hope कि कुछ अच्छा हो. So they told us that there's only high tea, but you can look at it. They had pav bhaji, they had spring roll, they had sandwiches, and let me tell you, it was heavenly yummy. Okay everyone, I hope you like the vlog. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं था, but it was very informative for us. And मुझे ये सब मिले. I'm just kidding. किडिंग, एक तेजस का है बट मैं दोनों घर लेके जा रही हूँ। ओके, सो अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन। हमें फॉलो कीजिए ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, बाय, कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग।